Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Zelana, and today I want to show you how I made my very delicious walnut pretzel. I took 1.5 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix it all together, let it stay for about 5 minutes, and then took 4.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix it all around with 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And once this yeast mixture started bubbling, I started mixing the whole dough together. The dough came out a little bit on the hard side, which is absolutely fine. Let it rest for about maybe half an hour and start shaping the pretzels. So basically you make one long line like that and twist it around. Once you shape them, ideally is to let them rest for about maybe 15 minutes and then put them in a boiling hot water with baking soda. The ratio is about 1 teaspoon, maybe for 1 cup of water. I don't know, I eyeball it and basically let the pretzel boil there for about a minute or two. Once after a minute or two, you can take them out and put some egg wash on top. After the egg wash, I put some sugar and crushed walnuts on top. You can put almonds as well, or cinnamon on top, or whatever topping you would like. Then put it in the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit, baked for about 15-20 minutes, and they're ready. They were so tasty. I cannot even explain to you guys how tasty they were. Look at this beauty, and the color was so beautiful and the texture was amazing, and I don't know, the whole recipe was great. Look at this. Hope you guys gonna give it a try and try this recipe. And again, thank you very much for watching my videos, for sharing them, for liking them, and I hope I'm gonna see you guys on my next videos. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families. Bye bye. And of course, if you like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook page and Facebook group that's called Cooking with Zelana. And I'll see you next time.